and quiet now in this Ozark mountain country. No longer do the shots ring out between the martins and the coys. That's because the martins wiped out the coys. This is Jeter Martin, the last survivor of that notorious feud. And this here is the old coy cabin.
Oh, the living is easy in the Ozark Hills. You don't need money and you don't need pills. You sit by a river and you just lean back, and the catfish jump into your gunny sack. Dum diddle waddle dum. Clem Coy's cabin. The last coy. Wiped out in the big feud. Visitors welcome. Very interesting. Coy's hat. I'll just try it on for size. Fits like a glove. This is the spot where Coy was shot. Well, there's a mighty musket. Easy squeezing trigger.
What no good pig stealer done that? Oh, I thought I killed all them corn-sarn cotton-picking coys. I'll sneak over and have me a look. So, that low-down polecat trying to start the feud again. Trying to get the drop on me, eh? Well, up here, the critter that shoots first is the last on his feet. That coy is a fast gun.
Uh-oh.
This time I'll duck down. There's a skunk in the wood pile. That ornery coy ruined my best breeches. I'll blow his shack to smithereens.
Bang, bang, bang. Click, click, click. You're out of bullets.
Heck fire! You ain't no rifle.
No, I is a cannon. You ain't gonna shoot an unarmed woodpecker, are you?
I sure is. I got you now, coy. Just keep right on a-walking. That's a corn-sarn ornery coy for you, taking his time to get down there. Yeah!
Oh, a root-toot-tooter and a root-toot-toot.
Come out of there, you chicken-livered coy!
Howdy do, Mr. Martin. You Martins wouldn't shoot a little old lady coy, now would you?
Yes, ma'am, we would. A dead coy is a good coy, we always says.
Oh, well, you can't win 'em all.
What you got in there?
Oh, something that smells real good.
I'll take it. Dad, brother, from a jar rootin' on Riesel Gust, Grand Gold June.
Telegram for Mr. Coy.
Read it to me.
Dear Coy, if you don't come out, you're is a no-good, low-down, pig-headed, sway-back, yaller-bellied polecat. Signed, me, Jeter Martin.
War Games Area.
I'll get 'em first thing in the morning.
There it is, men. That old shanty is our target for today. Fire at will.
That bangle bull-eating brook from this concern. I never knew there was so many coys. I'll give up. I surrender.
Okay, Jeter Martin. Put Put your shooting iron on the table. These are the Articles of Surrender. Sign here.
Yes, sir. I'm just a-fixin' to. You got a pen? How you work this?
Like this.
Yeah! That's a low-down, dirty coy trick. I'll blast your hide!